Yes, yes.
Okay, let's get started. So, what we understood in the last session was that money has no free will. We also understood that we have to create a giant version of me. And once we have created that giant version of us, we start to see ourselves differently. We create a different mold for ourselves, and that kind of thing starts happening in our life. We also understood that we need to answer it to make our belief system strong about it. I will have to ask myself why has that happened. So for everything that you have written that I am someone who loses weight easily, I am someone who sells easily, I am someone who serves easily, I am someone who is very knowledgeable, I am someone for whom intuition comes easily, I am someone for whom divine downloads happen, I am someone who is very connected to the divine. You can choose anything, okay, any single thing, but then I would love you to just give a why am I that, and your mind is a Google, it will give you answer, give that answer. Getting it? So that is how you make the belief system pakka and permanent. This is who I am. Otherwise, your mind gives opposite answers. Okay, how will you do this? Okay, you are thinking to do life coaching certification. Have you ever completed your certification in class? Have you done? Our mind is so good in giving unnecessary answers so that we don't move forward because we are very, how will you do this? This many pages, how will you learn? How will you do? How will you serve? You don't know this also now. You don't know, you have to learn this, you have to learn that, and you keep learning, learning, learning. You will forget that I have to implement also. Right? So it's very important that we give ourselves the different reason, the one who we want to become, rather than the opposite. Otherwise, the mind is doing the opposite on its own. Are you getting it? Why it is so important? The opposite will happen, it's on its own. You will get the bestest thing, but still mind will be there giving you the opposite, because that's the job of the mind. So if we go there in that direction, it will be a very different direction we will take. Why am I this person? Very, very important. Every Monday at least, or as many times you open and get that ting message, this much amount left in your bank account, rather than feeling, hug it. ओके आ जाओ मेरा ही हो ना, जो भी हो मेरे ही हो, जस्ट कम एंड हग इट. Okay, just like your child, no matter what marks your child has brought, he's your child, right? So just hug your bank balance like that. I know you will take care of, right? The universe is taking care of you, and that's the proof. You are 30, you are 40, you are 50, universe has taken care of you, or no? Just tell me. Or you have done every single thing. You are like, oh my god, I am the Superman and I have done every single thing in my life. You have done every single thing in your life. Or some other energy has done things for you. It had, right? Then why will the universe not show up? Abhi, aage. Why are you so scared about it? I don't know what will happen. How has everything happened? In the same manner, it will happen. It will happen better if you start showing up in the. It's like any which ways you are going to do for your child, but if your child is listening to you, is loving to you, is sweet to you, is loving you, is hugging you, is kissing you, and is saying you are the bestest mother I can ever have, you will love your child a little bit more, or no? That's happening. That's the simple thing. Universe will do any which ways, but if you are showing extra care, extra love, extra oneness, obviously it will have to do more. It's like our parent, right? So similar. So God is our parent, universe is our parent, so they are, automatically your vibration will go up and you'll be able to match it. God is not making any discrimination. It's only our vibration which is up sometimes and down. When it's up, we are matching with that. When we are down, we are matching with that. So God has not made any discrimination. Okay, Sangeeta will get everything and XYZ will not get anything. Malika will get every single thing that she thinks of and Megha will not get. Or Megha will get every single thing that she writes and XYZ will not. No. There's no such discrimination, right? We are doing that discrimination in our head by putting our vibration down. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be able to do it. You decide 4 or 5 negative thoughts, your mind is going to take over, right? All right, let's go ahead. Okay. New self concept. Why am I this person? Or again, this page came. Now we will do something very, very important. Okay. For some of you, money might not be the most important thing right now, but it doesn't matter because money has a very high vibration. It's not just about money. Money has a very high vibration. When you will connect with the high vibration, anything and everything will start going effortlessly. Are you getting me what I'm trying to say? Everything will start going effortlessly in your life. So that's why when you're connecting to it, many new, many different, many beautiful things will happen, which you will also wonder, how has this happened? How has this happened? This has happened only because you decided to work on your frequency and you changed your frequency. Universe is responding to your frequency. As if just think ki God is watching me and thinking, is she in a happy and beautiful mode? Let me give Jennifer more. Is Harshita looking really fine? Let me give a little bit more. Okay. So whatever God is seeing, okay, this child needs more, he will give more. So today we'll do a very, very important exercise. You can do it every night if you wish to. This is one of my very favorite exercise to be done. So I would like you to choose a statement of increase. If you can choose from the first amount that you have made, better, great. If you don't want to choose that and you want to decide, you want to have a separate image of increase, that will also work. Like for example, I have written, I now enjoy looking at 90 lakhs in my bank account for this month and I feel so supported. Because it goes, there is nothing every month. I also come down to zero, just like Sangeeta, because I either invest, I either do something with it, I gift. I will just come to zero completely because I love to just do it in that manner. So I would love, and every month it should fill up, and it's very important, by the way. If you are holding on little bit, it will stinking money, stinking water. How does it? It smells, right? So it always smells. So it should go and come, go and come. It should be in a flow. Always, it should be in a flow. Okay. Now create one statement for your own self, and now, not 20 years later, 10 years later, 5 years later. Everything is now. In the things that we are doing, we are not creating any imaginary scene. We are creating the scene with now energy. I'm attracting it now, today. What's holding you to get it now? Some property might get sold of your grandfather and maybe that amount comes to your bank account, right? Who knows? Who knows? We don't know. We don't know, right? So let's do it. So create one statement for yourself. I now enjoy, like one of the same, I now enjoy looking at whatever amount you want. 50 lakhs in my bank account, 10 lakhs in my bank account, 20 lakhs in my bank account, whatever you have decided. And I feel so supported. Just create your statement, and if there's any doubt, I'll just write some of the statements for yourself, and every single day what you will do is you will write that statement and then ask yourself, how do I feel about it? How do I feel seeing 90 lakhs in my bank account? How do I feel? Oh, I feel so supported. How do I feel? I feel so grateful. How do I feel? I feel so much loved by the universe. How do I feel? Are you getting it? So return back to your feelings. Write the feelings also. So you will write like this. I will just show you some examples and give you 5 minutes to write up. You will use the same sentences, not different. Same sentences, and you have to fill up one page completely. Manisha, my network is bad today, might lose connectivity anytime. If I will see you here, I will think that you are there. If I will not see you here, then I will think you are gone. Okay, Sangeeta? Okay. Okay. Fine, so come on, let's do it. And if you need my help in creating any sentence, you can send me personal message also. I can read that and I'll reply you personally also. Who can see your messages? There you can change it to Manisha. And because all of you are one-to-one, I understand that it's easy to connect one-to-one and tell me. So you can just send me personally. I will answer you personally. So don't worry about that. All right. So let me put up a music. For 5 minutes, create your sentence. Got it? What you need to do? Create your sentence, and then how do you feel about it? Connect with your feelings. We have lost that because our feelings were making us feel so bad, so irritated. We thought I don't want to feel anything, and we have numbed ourselves. And in the process, we have numbed everything that needs to come, all the good things. One sentence only. By the way, camera not on will be counted that you are not there. You can choose if you want to, but just to remind you. Because we can just join and go, and that's not the purpose of this. My purpose is to make you do, right? That is where you are lacking, you know that. To make you do. I'm writing few examples, you can just check that. I'm giving various thoughts, whatever makes you feel rich. For some of us, relationships makes us feel rich, right? For some of us, beautiful time with my daughter, where I'm one with my daughter, one that will make me feel abundant. So just check and feel what feels good to you. That's the sentence you should pick, not which is the best sentence. All sentences are best. You pick any, whatever you need at this point, whatever you need. All right. So I've just written few examples if you have gone through it. I now enjoy looking at myself in the mirror and I feel so confident, so beautiful. I now enjoy looking at my beautiful house of my own and I feel so rich. I now enjoy traveling the world with my daughter and I feel so abundant. I now enjoy spending my life with my daughter and I feel so deeply grateful. I now enjoy having such a beautiful relationship with my husband and I feel so loved. I now enjoy serving the clients from the entire world and I feel so useful. Right? I feel such a contributor to this world. I feel I'm such a good person, whatever. Anything that feels good to you is a good sentence. Anything that feels like force to you is not something I would love you to carry, right? All right, let me remove. Got it, all of you? If you got this, if you created your sentence, just write created my sentence. Just write C. कितनी मेहनत करोगे? Just write C. If you have created your sentence, just write in the chat C so that I know that you have created your sentence. Created. Yes. Okay. Great. By the way, you all can unmute yourself. So at any point, if you feel like you want to speak something, you can. That's why we are doing with the people so that we can hear it if it's needed.
The surrounding is noisy, so I am muted.
You should mute, but if there is something that's coming to you, you can. So that is. All right. When you are writing the statement of increase, I would love you to create the image of the increase. Remember the money giant? How will you combine both of them? You will write, I'm now enjoying looking at 90 lakhs in my bank account and I feel so deeply grateful. So 90 lakhs means what? Whatever, it is travel, it is taking up a new place, maybe it's gifting my family something, maybe helping my father to retire early, whatever, right? Whatever that amount means to you. Because if you will not connect money with a purpose, it will not stay. It will not do anything good to you. You will have to connect money with purpose. Money should serve some purpose in your life. You should be connecting it with something. I connect a lot of my money with charity. If I'll have this much, I'll be able to give so much. Okay, so you can just connect with anything that feels good to you. You can connect money with, I'll be able to give a luxurious life to my parents, to my children, to my family. Are you getting me? Whatever you your heart feels good about. Because I had to really create it, because my first value system is my family. So it is very important that I create everything around that. I will have to move it with that. I'm very spiritual. I will have to move it around that. Are you getting me what I'm trying to say? So, like that, whatever is your value system, in our one-to-one session, we have created your values, all of you, yes? So, the values that I have created, that you have created for your own self, your image should revolve around that. Got it, all of you? See that image which will make you feel good about yourself. Okay. Statement of increase, understood. Now, appreciation again. Open up your bank accounts. Open up, appreciate every single payment, every single grocery, every single chai wala, every doodh wala, parents. If you are paid for your school, if you have received money from your parents, if you received money from your job, if you received money from your business, if you have received, open up. By the way, every single rupee, sometimes you get scratch card and you win 1 rupee, 5 rupee, that also I would love you to appreciate. And if you can't remember anything, ki Manisha have to not earned since pata nahi 1 month, 2 month or whatever, 5 month or 5 years. In your childhood, have you got 100 rupees when somebody went? Think about that. Your parents gave you some money someday. Your husband gave you some money someday. You got your salary. Whatever it is, I would love you to think of that. What I'm trying to make you do, be in that feeling. Whatever money is coming in, no matter what is the source, doesn't matter. It's money is an energy, right? Whatever is the source. Like I meet so many women, but Manisha, it's not my money. It's my husband's money. So what? Is your husband not yours? If your husband is yours, his money is also yours. Na? Why are you feeling so much guilty about it? It's not my money, Manisha. It's your money only. Don't feel so much guilt around it. Right? Whatever you are getting, you truly deserve it. The universe wants to give you, and that's why you are getting it. Okay. So open up your PhonePe or Google Pay or whatever you use. Go to the history part, and for the next 5 minutes, truly appreciate from your heart. I can't see. Whom can't I see? I can't see Sangeeta and I can't see Megha. I'm okay if you choose to.
Actually, when I open the bank account, you can't see the video of mine.
Yes, same.
Okay,
Same.
joining in from
Same
the
is happening.
for 5 minutes allowed. Chalo. Open up your bank account and truly appreciate from your heart. This is a very, very beautiful exercise actually to do. Open up, truly appreciate. Your heart should come out and jump in appreciation. That's the amount of love and appreciation you should have in your heart. It's okay if it is not coming. We are just in class 2 today. So don't be harsh on yourself. 1 more minute. If you have really done it, your heart should be completely in the place of contentment and like deep peace in your heart you should be experiencing at this moment. All right. Love letter to money. Wow, such a profound thing. I remember when I started up this life coaching journey 7 years back. It was so much like it was an everyday thing that I used to do, and I've shared with all of you, I'm sure, right? In the sessions, that this is something which you can include in your daily routine. Every single day, write a letter to money so that money should not be the concern in your life, at least. Money should be like a medium, money should be like a food, water, energy, because till the time money is not in the equation, money is the only problem that we have. Once money problem has solved out, then we can go and actually do a lot more. Oh wow, you're doing it with your child, so that's so beautiful. Okay, good. She will get every information like from this childhood. I always feel so glad about the children or the people who will be getting the information, because I'm seeing my child getting it and I can see the difference. So mothers, I feel when they get it now, they are able to coach their child so much better. Every mother is a coach, right? All of us. And we are our own coach. We will not have to keep depending on other person. At least for us, we will do. In our family, we are a coach. Either for the child, either for the mother. Sometimes we are a mother. I know some of you, you are a coach for your mom, right? So yeah, love that. So I would like you to take out a page, a new fresh page, and write beautiful letter to money as if money is a person. Dear money, I really love you. I'm so grateful that you have always shown in my life. I'm so grateful that you have always put food on my table from the time I was born till this date. I'm so grateful that you have always allowed me to buy the clothes that I needed. I'm so grateful that you always were there to take care of me, provide me with shelter. I'm so grateful that because of you, I was able to take the decisions, maybe to educate myself, to take the school education, complete the college education, complete the PhD, or complete whatever education I wanted, all of that. I'm so grateful. Keep writing till the time you fall in love with money. So you can just do one page completely and really look at money like a person, and then you can just ask that, keep coming. And I really love when you come, my children, my husband, my family, everybody becomes so happy. We are able to travel the world, we are able to live in luxury, we are able to buy this, we are able to create a beautiful relationship rather than saying, oh, money is bad, oh, the person. We go in a very different direction. I would like you to make a very beautiful relationship with money, that I'm so grateful that when you come, I'm able to do so much for the people who don't have. I'm able to do so much for the charity, for the old age, for the spirituality, for all of the things that I really care, and there's nobody to just create the relationship so deep where you feel it's amazing to actually earn a lot of money. It's beautiful. I should be rich because I'm such a good person. I should be very, very rich, not normal rich. Very, very. Because I'm a good person. Otherwise, the bad people are going to do all of the negative things, guns and terrorists and all of that things will happen. But when the women is going to become rich, it will be a very different world. Yes or no? The women of the world, all the good-hearted people have said, I don't want money. बहुत है. Okay. There are people who want to do bad things and they have said बहुत नहीं है. चाहे 1000 करोड़ पे क्यों ना बैठे हों, बिलियनियर क्यों ना हो, उन्होंने कहा बहुत नहीं है. And we are here इतना सा, we are so contented, right? We are so like, I would love you to expand your mood. Let's do it. So love letter to money, 5 minutes, write the most beautiful letter to money. I'll give an example and write it here so that if you're doing it for the first time, you should have to consider. Feel abundantly blessed. Beautiful. You start to notice all the gratitude that you have in your life right now. You will attract more things. Obviously, if you are apart for so many months, you know that gratitude is something which I would love you to do on every single day. Every single day, look for things you are grateful for. Be thankful. Sit in that energy of thanking your life. Thank you for breath. Thank you for every single thing that you have. Let's do it. And write it from your heart, not with Google and Chat GPT. Very important. Okay? It is a heart work. This is a written exercise. I would love you to write it. All right. If you want, you can keep writing it every single day, every morning, right? Even when the program ends, you can continue to do this work. Yesterday's homework was what is the negative you associate with money. I hope you have found out something, that what are the negative association with money. We all have something, okay, at different point, different things, which is completely fine, which is completely okay. The only thing that I would love you to do is identify it, be aware of it. All right. Close your eyes and I will let you do the money giant. Okay, for 5 minutes I will let you do the money giant and then I will let you go.
Is this today's homework as well
Same,
to find out the negative?
find out the negative. Because this is
Okay.
a very important thing, because the day when I will tell you to write, it will not come. It needs time to actually find out the negative, right? So I would like you to play the music, sit with it and just really see like a scientist. How do I feel when I have to spend money? How do I feel when I receive money? How do I feel when I know that this table was 20,000 when I bought, and now that table is of 10,000 with the sale and discount? Do I feel or do I feel okay when I bought at 20,000 there was a value that I saw and bought it, right? There was a value at the table. I didn't bought it just like that. I saw a value that it was coming. I made a wise decision. So what? Right? So every aspect of your life you can see and check that what is the, do I feel secure with money? Do I feel money is unlimited or do I feel money is limited? It will go away. Or do I feel idhar se gaya, idhar se aaya? Do I feel it's like air? Do you ever feel that oxygen will go away? डू यू एवर फील कि नहीं मैं वाटर स्टोर कर लेती हूँ, क्या पता कल मेरे पास पीने के लिए पानी ना हो तो सकता ही है हो तो सकता है ना कि देयर विल बी नो वाटर, बट डू यू स्टोर वाटर, डू यू स्टोर एयर you don't, right? But in the money scenario I say कि okay, store little bit. I also do that because that's important for my then I feel secure. If I put little bit away now, I will feel secure to spend the rest. If I not put little bit away, then I'll feel. So it's important to put little bit away so that you are feeling secure. So are you feeling secured? Are you feeling supported? More you will be feeling security, supported. More the universe will be showing up in security and supported manner, right? All right, let's close your eyes. Let's get into your money giant. Okay? You can close your eyes. You can also lie down and do this exercise. Also, one reminder, because after this I would not love to say anything. After this work, why we are doing at 9 to 10? Can anybody tell me why am I doing at 9 to 10, not 8 to 9, not 7 to 8 or 6? Yeah, tell me why. Why are we doing at 9 to 10?
Because after this we should sleep and it will go directly into our subconscious mind.
True. Why are we doing it at 9, Jennifer? You wanted to say something. We have not heard your voice also in the session, I guess. Say something.
I don't know out of turn is because then you can sleep with that energy and let it grow.
Yes, because the whole night the energy will work on you, right? All of you are right. The whole
Yeah.
night the energy will work on you, and done such an important work and then went into अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया and we have went into that direction. Don't go. You have created such a beautiful energy. Don't go in that direction. Okay? Be in love. Be in love. Just imagine my face and this heart. Just be in love. Okay? Love. Manisha ने कहा है love. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है Manisha. How to be in love? Okay, but for some days I'll need to be. Let's do it. Okay. Close your eyes, all of you. Take some deep breath. I would love you to just see where are you sitting. Be truly feeling the place, whether it's chair or the sofa or your bed. Feel that place. Is it soft, hard? I would love you to feel that. How is the weather around? Are you feeling cold, warm? What are the sounds you can hear apart from my sound? Music, something outside, maybe family members. Just be aware of it. What is the smell in the air? Just be aware of it. In your tongue, what taste can you taste? Just be aware of it. Be completely comfortable, not to resist. Just be in this. And now I would love you to think of 5 things in your life for which you are deeply grateful for. If God decides to take these 5 things, you will feel completely altered or completely, I don't know where to go. That kind of 5 things for which you feel, oh my God, I'm so thankful I have it. It can be in your health, it can be in your wealth, it can be in your career, it can be in your relationship. It can be in any object, the people, anything. Take a moment and deeply thank for all of the 5 things that you already have. Look for it. Our mind goes into what we don't. I would love you to think what you have. And now, with this beautiful state, I would love you to see your money giant version. The version of you who has created all these beautiful things that you have in your life right now. I would love you to see the giant version of you and see that where are you standing at that moment, where you are feeling the abundant, the giant, where you are feeling, oh my God, I have every single thing that I wanted. And anything above it, it will just go to do the betterment in the world. I don't want it. It's just for the world. Where are you standing at that moment where you are having this deep feeling of satisfaction that, oh my God, what more I could have asked God? Where are you standing? See yourself standing there. What can you see around? Is it green grass? Is it hills? Is it beaches? Is it in your office, stadium, whatever it is? I would love you to see that. How are you looking? There is a mirror there and you're looking yourself in that mirror. Observe yourself very closely. What are you wearing? How is your hair? Have you put on makeup or no makeup? Is there a bindi or no bindi? If there's a lip tint or lipstick, I would like to just see yourself in that mirror very beautifully, closely. And now at this beautiful moment, what are you doing? What is this day about? Is it the day of launching of your business? It is the day of giving speech to thousands of people? Is it the day of going for a beautiful vacation, a long vacation? Is it a day where you're sharing a deep loving bond with your husband? Is it a day where your daughter is coming to you, hugging you and saying, you are such a beautiful mother, the most beautiful mother I've ever seen, the bestest mother that I could have ever got? What's that moment about that you are feeling deeply grateful? You are looking up to God and you are feeling deeply grateful and you are saying something to God. What are you saying? And what are you thinking in your head? What's going in your head at that moment? Now feel deeply grateful and thankful for everything that has came in your life so effortlessly, so beautifully, so magically, so much support and love by the universe. And with that beautiful feeling, I would love you to come at this moment. And rub your hands, both the hands together. Put both of your hands on your eyes. Let it relax. And then you can come out. So a beautiful moment we have opened up, 1001, beautiful angel number. And now I would love all of you share one line, but one of you I would love to hear. Any one of you who was able to deeply experience, just put your hand like this. Okay, 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 both of you. Take it. What was the experience, Megha? How you felt it?
I have no
By,
words to
by the
define.
way, more you will describe it to the people who believe in you, it will actually increase. Okay, it will actually increase. So I would just love to share in this safe environment how you felt.
I felt magically blessed having blessing of my gurus with me, and I am the chosen soul to impact millions of lives, and I can see it very beautifully, visualize it very beautifully, where people from all across the world are calling me to help people for their spiritual awakening,
Love.
and I'm the medium to help them, and I'm serving the purpose that God has given me, and the I'm the chosen soul.
So what's the feeling?
Divinely blessed, I can say.
You felt it real?
Yes, yes, yes.
Be in that. God blessing you, sending you more love. May everything that you have seen just comes true magically, wonderfully, beautifully in God's own way. Do you know when we say that? Thank you so much, Megha. Do you know when we say that we are surrendering to God? Surrendering to God means if it comes true, I'm really grateful, God. And if it doesn't come true, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not attached to it. If that 6 BHK comes through, great. If it doesn't happen, I'm fine. I will not die. I will not die. I will be good. I'll be happy. I'm not attached to it. So, spiritual, when you say there should be a detachment in your manifestation, it's like if it never comes true, am I okay? Your answer should be I'm completely okay. Then you are in the right direction. And if it is I don't know, if it will not come true, what will my life be, and I don't know what will it happen, no. If it never comes true, will I be okay? And if the answer says yes, beautiful. Yes, Sangeeta. Both of you.
I visualized a scene where I am collaborating with Neeta Ambani.
Yeah. Loved it.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Love
And
that.
she, because I have an art studio and I'm empowering the women who are there in the locality, Rangia locals. They are also weaving mekhla and doing kashida and every work. And as Neeta Mani is also empowering women, she also launches campaign and everything.
Yeah, yes.
So it was a kind of thing that I have never imagined, but I am imagining now.
Love that.
I don't know why this scene came to my mind. And I am so grateful to the universe, God, and Lala Laddu Gopal. So grateful that this moment is happening, and I am a medium to encourage these women in this studio of mine.
Beautiful.
So
I think you love
it
all
was
and love.
like happy. grateful, thankful type moment. Oh
Beautiful.
my God. The feelings are not even, I can't even express this.
We can feel that. Without you expressing that much, we can feel that, right? So
Thank you
that
so
is
much.
what the feelings are, right? So be in that feeling, sending lots of love, everything that you saw becomes your reality, right? Because more, the only thing is more you are able to be in that scene, it will become. So thank you so much, Sangeet. I loved it. Anybody else? Mallika has written something. Okay, Mallika. Yes, quickly. We are going above time. We'll just end in 2 minutes. I'll keep 5 minutes. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, yes, Mallika.
Yes, I was experiencing a sense of intense calmness that I felt that all my desires were fulfilled, and I am totally content. That kind of game.
Wow, that's beautiful. Now the content is the ultimate thing, which people can get everything, but the content feeling is something where so beautiful. So, what was the scene that you were creating?
I was sitting with my loved one. Yes.
Okay, you was there with your loved one, and you were feeling, wow, what a beautiful relationship I've got, right? Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much, Mallika. All right. Okay. So, all right. I think Harshita and Jennifer has completely done the meditation and gone to sleep. Beautiful. That is what I wanted. So, all of you else, okay, be in that. I'm loving that state. Okay. So, wish you all the best. Sending so much of love, blessings. May every single thing that comes to your mind and that you create in this divine room with the divine energy, universe shows you in that reality that yes it is possible, yes it is possible, and you keep moving in this beautiful direction. Okay, that's the only prayer that I have. Sending double love, and let's hug all of you. Let's come together, hug, 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 and then we'll go. I do feel the hug. All of you are able to feel or no, or only I feel? Yes, good. Then it's good. Okay, bye, good night. Sleep well, sleep peacefully.